Nanxing Machinery Company Limited has been established since 1996, providing professional intelligent panel furniture machinery, also with internet integrated services and some more other work for offering total solutions. The company headquarters is located at Dongguan in Guangdong Province. In addition, the company has modern factory in Wuxi and branch company in Hong Kong. Nanxing Machinery is firmly believed within China by the industry as a leader in the panel intelligent furniture machinery due to its professional and matured already in automation products, plus its intelligent and information technology built up that makes excellence of satisfaction to the customers. The company was listed in May 2015 at the Shenzhen Stock Exchange's stock code 002757. Guangdong Weiyi Network Technology Company Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Nanxing Machinery. It is famous as a cloud services provider for delivering total solutions, offering cloud data center, network security, cloud private line, public cloud, mixed cloud, and many more services besides problem-solving techniques. Nanxing Machinery has converged different fields of outstanding professional people, insists with its policy on high standard, high technology, high quality, hence is able to pioneering and innovation for generating its core technical competences. With many advanced production facilities within the factories, importing some laser cutting machines from Switzerland, 5-axis machining centers, and flexible manufacturing units from Japan, vertical horizontal machining centers, and laser interferometer and other world-class high-precision testing instruments from Germany. We have formulated strictly regarding the assembly standards and workmanship. Each product has to be processed to meet the preset requirements. According to the different processes of workmanship that the assembly line with various working stations is designed to allow respective work to be completed effectively, guaranteeing the assembly of each individual product is done in good quality and precision. We can ensure each machine is finished with highest quality, providing our customers with excellent and high-value products. The company has built up an organization as high as up to the Guangdong provincial level for guiding the Enterprise Technology Center and CNC Woodworking Machinery Engineering Technology Research and Development Center, has set up work team for making CNC machine with standardization scheme, has passed ISO 9001-2015 quality management certification. Our products has gained CE certification. Nanxing Machinery has been awarded National High-Tech Enterprise, Guangdong Enterprise Abided by Contract and Credit, Guangdong Famous Products, and many more awards. The company owns a professional team with core research and development capabilities in making machinery, electronics, automation, software system, as well as long experience in wood processing technology. Nanxing Machinery only focus on manufacturing of panel furniture machines, which can be also combined from more individual machines to form efficient production lines to provide total solutions. Main product range includes computer panel high-speed saw series, intelligent CNC machining center series, CNC boring machine series, intelligent CNC boring machining center series, and a few more series of products, which are widely being used by households for custom-built furniture in all respects, including closets, kitchen cabinets, bathrooms, doors, office furniture, and so on. The company has launched flexible furniture manufacturing lines to fulfill the urgent demands from the furniture manufacturing enterprises to make the furniture design, to break down the list for respective processing into the system of the CNC machines in order to lower the production costs, to raise up the production efficiency, to shorten the delivery time, but all these improvements must be guaranteed for the product quality. Nanxing Machinery insists always, based on customers, for formulating service ideas, providing overall machine planning with layout drawings for the customer's factories, selecting suitable machine models, installation and commissioning, technical training, repair and maintaining, and other services, helping customers to find the best processing solutions, raising up enterprises' knowledge level, reducing the intensity of labor, therefore resulting in better competition position to give out more value for their productions. Nanxing Machinery's products are sold in China and overseas, including USA, Canada, Germany, Russia, Turkey, Australia, Malaysia, and 30 more countries. Sales and service centers are located worldwide, offering local, full, and fast services. Common beliefs, common goals, common efforts for the best performance, for the expertise, for the best innovation. These are all based on people. The company is innovation-oriented. Nanxing Machinery opened various training courses, company activities, and community charities for upgrading skills of the employees, discovering capabilities of employees, enriching living of employees after their work, keeping their loyalty working here, and hence building high competitiveness for our enterprise. Here in the company, we can see the faces of Nanxing staff who are positive, optimistic, as well as seriously and precisely in doing their jobs. Here in the company, we can see our staff with their happiness and warmness like family. Here in the company, we can see our staff with their enthusiasm and passion in carrying out work. Here in the company, we can see our staff with their creativity putting forwards for better life. We will stand high our leadership position for contributing to the intelligent furniture machinery industry, the company based on buyers' needs, to create more value for our customers, growth together with our customers, to drive ahead the technology of furniture industry, and to sustain its further development for creating better living for people by our fighting hard.